there guys, this is Tracy here and welcome to our channel. So today I wanted to do Kinder Egg versus Barbie Egg surprise. So here we have them. I'm going to go for the Kinder Egg first and see what that's like inside. I think we're all pretty familiar with the type of chocolate. It's normally milk chocolate on the outside and then white chocolate on the inside, and there you go, that's what it is. It's normally very delicious, so I'll have a taste of that shortly. Let's just have a look at the free gift inside. Right, so it's something to construct, and here's the instructions on the inside. Chocolate smells delicious. That's a good start. Alright, okay, so it's a ball to construct from the Go Move range. So I'll construct this and see how we get on. So I'm just almost finishing off constructing the ball. It's quite easy to do, but I just thought I'd show you the last piece that goes in. So you just slide it in. And last piece. So there you go, so it's a puzzle and a ball in one, and we have our delicious chocolate. And also you can go online to www.toymagic.com and have a look at perhaps some games that's on that particular site. So that's quite good actually. So that's the winner there from Kinder Egg. So let's have a look at the Barbie Egg surprise. So this is a light milk chocolate, has a pattern on the front. Ooh, just break it open. And here's the toy. Right, looks like it's a helicopter, so I'll just get the pieces out. That's right. And we need the propeller. There we go, so 3 pieces and then it's made, so that's fairly straightforward. I have to say, quality wise, the Kinder Egg wins. The feel and the makeup of this particular toy, I'm sure that it will last a long time, but this is fun, the helicopter. So I'm just going to give the chocolate a quick taste and see what that's like. Will that stay there? Yeah. Let's just try a piece of this chocolate. Yeah, very sweet, extremely sweet. Let's try the Kinder Egg. The Kinder Egg is much better. It's got a deeper, richer, creamier sweet taste. So today I'm going to give the Kinder Egg surprise a big thumbs up. So take care, bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon.